Welcome to Historical World. In this video we are discussing interesting facts about Glacier National Park. So, let's get started. The Glacier National Park in Montana was established in 1910. It covers more than 1 million acres and is home to glaciers, mountains, lakes, waterfalls and a remarkable range of flourishing animal and plant life. It is a haven for individuals looking to enjoy spectacular scenery from a boat or the seat of a car and persons wishing to get more interactive and up close with a climb, a hike or a glacier walk. This park is a part of the first international peace park on the globe. The visualization for a park was to celebrate friendship and peace between Canada and the United States. The park is located midway between Vancouver and Calgary and it was established after the Transcontinental Railway was completed in 1885. The Glacier and Waterton Lakes National Park in Canada were named the Waterton Glacier International Peace Park in 1932. Nowadays, the parks effortlessly collaborate in their efforts in research, fire management and preservation. The lands on which Glacier National Park is situated were utilized by the Sinixt, Sialex, Secwepemc and Katunaxa peoples. The Great Northern Railway constructed 9 chalets between the years 1910 and 1915. The sites were Belton, St. Mary, Sun Point, Many Glacier, Two Medicine, Sperry, Granite Park, Cut Bank, and Gunsight Lake. On average, visitors spent more than a month in the park. The park currently houses 26 named glaciers, which is a far cry from the roughly 150 that existed in 1850. Sadly, it is expected that the number will continue this decline as climate changes diminish their size. Of the glaciers remaining, the Harrison Glacier is the largest at 1.6 million square meters. The Empire Builder route from Amtrak stops in East Glacier Park Village at the station, which is a few steps from the entrance of the park. For decades, it has been facilitating a well-liked Empire Builder Line seasonal stop, which opens between April and October and serves mainly Glacier National Park visitors. While visiting Glacier National Park, spotting the agile mountain goat will definitely be part of the experience. Due to its perseverance and prevalence in the area, the mountain goat is the official symbol of the park. In addition to mountain goats, marmots and bighorn sheep live in the rocky slopes across Logan Pass. This is a hub for many great hikes as well, including Animal Superheroes Trail, which is suitable for the whole family. The Nature Trail to Hidden Lake that covers 1.5 miles is another great hike in the vicinity. Another wonderful place to hike is the western point of Lake St. Mary, a place where trails lead to 3 magnificent waterfalls. Glacier overlaps the Continental Divide, which allows for extreme weather. This is because the opposing Arctic and Pacific airs join at the divide, creating a spectacular weather clash. On one occasion, right outside the eastern boundary of the park, in just 24 hours, the temperature dropped 100 degrees. Going to the Sun Road is among the most iconic land stretches of Glacier National Park. This is a 53-mile-long picturesque drive that opened in 1933 and features some of the most stunning natural views of North America. This famous road is featured in the opening credits of the horror film classic, The Shining. It has also received a number of unique honors, which include being designated as a Historic Civil Engineering Landmark, a National Historic Place and a National Historic Landmark. Going to the Sun Road crosses the Continental Divide by way of Logan's Pass, a place that can amass as much as 80 feet of snow during the winter. It covers 50 miles of cascading waterfalls, spectacular glaciers and stunning landscapes and is definitely a vital part of any visit. Glacier National Park visitors can participate in tours in antique red buses referred to as jammers. They were introduced to United States national parks originally in the 1930s to decrease car traffic. This exceptional coach car fleet was modified and restored in 2002. Glacier National Park is bordered by sovereign nations. The Flathead Reservation is south and west of the park. Canada is situated to the north and the Blackfeet Reservation is to the east of the park. It Happened in Glacier National Park is a book that outlines some of the crazy things that has taken place in the park. These include sightings of mischievous park spirits and the vanishing of the whitehead